Hi everyone, this is a question section B, question 5. Given a discrete random variable x has the following property distribution function, which is we can see that we have a random variable -2, -1, 1 and 2. Show that the p equals to 1. So for the question A, we can use the condition where sum of the p, all the p sum up, it will be equals to 1. Alright, then we try to find the probability when the x equals to -2 plus the probability when x equals to -1. Sum up all the probability equals to 1. So now we substitute the -2 into the function, into the p function, which is corresponding to -2. That is, substitute the x here as a -2. For the px equals to -1, we substitute -1 into this function. For px equals to 1, we also substitute into the function which is corresponding to this x equals to 1, and the same thing for the x equals to 2. Then we simplified it and solve for the p. So finally, we got the p equals to 1. For the question, probability x less than 1, we need to find out px equals to -2 plus px equals to -1. Substitute this -2 into its function and -1 also in its function, where the where the p already been substituted as a 1, because for the part A, you already proved that the p equals to 1. All right, then sum them, then you will get 7/12. For the question 5C and 5C, we need to find the mean, variance, and the variance of 2x plus 3. So for this question, I think it's easier for me to get ready my table first. Then I can easily trace the value of the x and the p. So look at this. If I need to find the mean, that is my ex. My formula to find the ex is summation of the x multiplied by the p. So I can easily find the EXs looking at the table, taking the x multiplied by its corresponding probability, 91, which is the second x, multiplied by its probability, and so on and so forth. Then you sum up all, you got the -1/6. That is the mean. So for the variance, you need to find the EX square using the formula to find the variance. That is the EX square minus the mean square. So since the mean already found on top at part C, we need to get the EX square. EX square having the formula summation of the x square multiplied by p. So again, to make my job easier, I will refer to my table, taking the x square multiplied by its p, and then for the second x, square it and multiply by its p, so on and so forth. You will get 5/2 for the EX square. So now to get the variance, taking the 5/2, that is your EX square minus the mean square. Mean square taking the answer from the part C, that is -1/6 square. Final answer should be 89/36. To get the variance of the 2x plus 3, we can use a property to find this. Okay, take out the 2. When you take out the 2, don't forget it's a 2 square multiplied by the variance of x. Variance of 3 is 0, so we can simplify as a 4 and multiply by the variance x, which we already got it as a 89/36. Substitute the value of the variance x inside. You will get 89/9.